Welcome. In this video I will show you how to remap remote buttons on your PANASONIC TN-43W70AEZ TV. So to remap buttons, we're gonna need to install the button mapper application. To do so, go to the apps menu from the home screen. Then in apps menu, let's open the search field and then let's search for the mapper. Basically, I think the mapper will be enough. Double P. Then press the search button.
Results for mapper.
Now we have two options here. So there are two applications. This one is pretty good, but it's limited to only to remappings. So we're gonna go with the first one. It's gonna give us a more unlimited access to it without purchasing the full version, the premium version of the application. So let's open this app. And what I want to do is basically get rid of the Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video and Disney buttons on my TV remote, so that I don't accidentally press them from time to time. So right now let's start accessibility service by pressing OK. Then go to accessibility from settings, navigate to button mapper and switch the toggle to the right next to enable. Click OK. And now what we're gonna have to do is either, well, if you want to remap home button, then go to the first option. Back button and menu button are premium features. You can also remap following buttons, or if you want to remap any other button, then select add buttons. Now what we're gonna have to do is add each button separately. So select add buttons, then let's press Netflix. Okay, so this is Netflix. Now let's press YouTube. Okay, the second one is YouTube. Now let's add Prime Video and Disney Plus. Now let's select the first one, select no thanks, switch the toggle to right next to customize, and I want to remap the single tap. If you want to remap double tap feature function, select the second option. If it's the long press, then the third one. Below we can also adjust the button vibration. Okay, so let's select single tap and then select the action that you want this button to perform. So here you can find the list of actions that you can assign to this button. In my case, I just wanted to perform no action at all. So once the no action has been assigned, let's try to press this button. Okay, and if the button isn't functioning right now, or is performing the function that you assigned it to, then that's great. If it's not, if it's still opening if it's still functioning as usual, then you're gonna have to go back to this menu and select the trash bin icon to remove this button, and then add it once again, and then try this one more time, and this will in my case it's worked several times. So now let's select the second button. Let's also customize it. Let's select single tap to no action and go back, and the same goes for the rest two buttons. So customize, single tap, no action, back, now customize, single tap, no action. And now let's try to press each of them. So Netflix doesn't do anything, YouTube doesn't do anything, Prime Video and Disney Plus, none of them will open. Oh, actually I accidentally pressed input button. Okay, so none of them will open the streaming service right now, and that's just what I wanted them to not to do. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.